Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the Long John Safety Air Gun, the perfect tool for difficult to reach areas. The Long John uses standard shop compressed air to blow off machinery, floors, rafters, as well as tanks, ovens, and molds. A powerful venturi nozzle produces up to 2 pounds of output thrust and meets OSHA safety standards by reducing output pressure to less than 30 psi if the nozzle is blocked. The Long John features an ergonomic pistol grip handle for maximum comfort, a durable cast aluminum body with a rugged hanging hook, a wide comfort trigger, and an industry standard 1/4 inch FMPT inlet. Long Johns are available with heavy-duty aluminum extensions, ranging from 6 to 72 inches. Longer lengths are available on request. Visit our website for more information.